Okay. Now composition of function. See the composition of function. What is composition of function? Again, I am repeating. This thing will be required over here. What is composition of function? F equal to, there are three set A, B, C. F is A to B function, G is B to C function. Okay. So now F O G exists if the range of G is a subset of domain of F. GOF exists, range of F is a subset of domain of G. Practically F O G not equal to GOF. So this is the rule. Now according to this rule we have to find this. So firstly they are asking if two functions are given, F and G are given, you have to find F O G, GOF, also find domain of F and G, range of F and G. So very easy sum. So domain of F, the first element of this pair, three pairs. What are the first element? 1, 3 and 4. So this is known as domain of F. So domain F equal to DF. DF মানে হচ্ছে, DF means domain of F. D of F means domain F. Domain F equal to first element of this three pair 1, 2, 3, 5 and 4, 1. So domain F equal to 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. Now range F, RF means range F. DF means domain F. RF means range F, that is the second element 2, 5, 1. So range F equal to 2, 5, 1. This is known as range F. Okay. So now domain F, range F. Now what is domain G? Domain G equal to what? Domain G equal to what? That is same thing. In these three pairs, that is 2, 5, 1. These are the first element. So 2, 5, 1 is the 2, 5, 1. This is the domain G. So what is the range G? RG, that is the second element. Range of G, that is 3, 1, 3. 3, 1, 3. 3, 1 and 3. So this is the domain F, range F, domain G and range G. Okay. So what is range G? What is range G? Range of G is 3, 1, 3. Okay. What is domain F? What is domain F? Domain F is 1, 3, 4. Now you see, very interesting. You see, what I have written, FOG exists if range of G is a subset of domain of F. If this exists, if this condition satisfy, only we can find FOG. That is FOG exists. You can see now. What is range of G? Range of G is 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. This 3, 1, 3 is a subset of domain of F. That is 1, 3, 4. That means we can say every element of this contained in this. So we can say range of G is a subset of domain of F. So FOG exists. FOG exists. We see that range of G is a subset of domain of F. Domain of F. You see, this 3, 1, 3, here is 3, 1, 3 contained in this. So range of G is a subset of domain of F. So we can say FOG exists. So now we can find FOG. Similarly, you see GOF exists or not? GOF exists or not? That is range of F. You see, what is range of F? 2, 1, 5. 2, 1, 5 is a subset of domain of G. Yes, 2, 1, 5 is a subset of domain of G. Range of F is a subset of domain of G. So you can write here GOF exists. We see that range of F is a subset of domain of G. So we can say GOF is also exist. That is, you see, range of F. Once again, range of F. What is range of F? 215. 215. What is it? Domain of G? That is 251. So that means this is a subset of this. Every element is a subset of itself. So we can say this is a subset of this. Okay? Understand? So we can say FOG and GOF both are exist for this function. That means we can find FOG and GOF. Now, how to find this? Now the question is how to find FOG and GOF. So we have found already, we have found what? That is domain of F, range of F, domain of G, range of G. Now FOG you have to find. Now what is the meaning of this actually? What is the meaning of this function? This function is that says that F1 2, that means F1 value is 2, F3 value is 5, and F4 value is 1. This is 4. Be careful. This is 4. What do you mean by this? F1 equal to 2, F3 equal to 5, F4 equal to 1. So now, what do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? Similarly, G2 equal to, tell me, G2, this is 2. Okay, the G2 equal to 3, G5 equal to 1, and G1 equal to 3. G1 equal to 3. Okay, now you have to find FOG. That is FOG. FOG. That is equal to FOG2. FOG2. That means F of G2. FOG2, FOG5, FOG1. FOG1. That means you have to find FOG, this 2, 5 and 1. That means FOG2, FOG5 means F of G5, and FOG1 means FOG1 means F of, this is another bracket, this will be closed.
স্যার বলছি ওই দিকের পার্টটা দেখা যাচ্ছে না মানে
Okay, I am doing a video. Just after that I'll tell you. FOG1 means F of 1, F of G1. So now what is G2? What is G2? You see, G2 value is 3, that is F3. What is the value of F3 value? What is the value of F3 value? What is the value of F3 value? F3 value is equal to 5. F3 equal to 5. Okay. Now this equal to F of G5. G5 value is 1. So F of 1. What is the value of F1? F1 value, you see, F1 is 2. F1 is 2. So what is the value of that is G1? What is the value of G1? That is F of, what is G1? G1 value is 3. So F of 3. Now what is F3? F3 equal to 5. Therefore FOG can be written as, therefore FOG can be written as, when it is 2, then it is 5. When it is 2, it is 5. So it comes, that is second bracket, 2, 5. Then when it is 5, then it is 2. That is 5, 2. When it is 1, then it is 5. Then 1, 5. This is actually FOG. Now I am repeating again. You can write down, that is, you can write down one by one. I am saying, you can write down F1 is 2, this is F1, this is F3 is 5, F4 is 1. From this, okay. Now this means G2 is 2, G2 is 3, this is G5 is 1, G1 is 3. So now FOG2 means F of G2. What is G2? G2 is equal to 3. So now F3 equal to 5. What is FOG5? that is f of g5. What is g5? G5 is equal to 1. So f1 equal to, now f1 it is given, f1 is 2. Now f of g1, that means f of g1 means f of g1. F of, what is g1 value? G1 is f3. That is f3 value is now 5. So now f of g you can write, that is when it is 2 then it comes 5, that is 2 5. When it is 5 then it comes 2, that is 5 2. When it is 1 this is 5. Now GOF. Now I am finding GOF. GOF I am doing over here. GOF I am doing over here. You can see now GOF. Once again I will repeat, you don't worry. Okay. Okay. GOF. Now GOF. Sorry. GOF. GOF 1. GOF 1. GOF 1 3 5. 1 3 5. This 1 1 3 4. GOF 1 3 4. GOF 1. GOF 3. GOF 4. 1 3 4. 1 3 4. GOF 1 3 4. GOF 1. Tell me, GOF 1 means G of F1. G of F1. G of F1 means G of, what is F1 value? What is F1 value? You see, F1 value is 2. So what is G2 now? What is G2? This is 3. So this is 3. So now GOF 3. GOF 3 means G of F3. G of F3. So what is G of, what is F3? F3 is 5. So G5, what is G5 now? G5 is 1. Now GOF 4. What is GOF 4? What is GOF 4? Tell me GOF 4. GOF 4 means G of F4. G of F4, that is G of, what is F4 value? F4 value is 1. So G of 1, what is G1? G1 is 3. So now what is GOF? Therefore GOF we can write GOF equal to, when it is 1 then it comes 3, that is 1 3. When it is 3 then it is 1, then 3 comma 1. When it is 4 then it is 3, that is 4 comma 3. So this is how FOG and GOF, this is how FOG and GOF we can find by using composition. Okay, and using composition property, like first I have proved FOG is exist or not, GOF exist or not. If FOG is not exist, that is the FOG is not exist, then we cannot find FOG. If GOF is not exist, then we cannot GOF. Okay, this is how we have to find FOG and GOF and domain F, domain G, range F, range G. Thank you.